Lesson: Maintaining knowledge assets for business analysis. Maintaining knowledge assets is a critical component of effective business analysis. Knowledge assets, including documented processes, expert insights, and analytical tools, form the backbone of informed decision-making in organizations. The ability to manage and leverage these assets effectively can differentiate successful businesses from their competitors. This lesson explores actionable insights, practical tools, frameworks, and applications that certified business analysis professionals can implement to enhance their proficiency in managing knowledge assets. Business analysts often face the challenge of maintaining up-to-date and relevant knowledge assets amid the constant inflow of information. A systematic approach to knowledge management is crucial. One effective strategy is the adoption of a knowledge management framework, such as the SECI model developed by Nonaka and Takeuchi. This model emphasizes the dynamic interaction between tacit and explicit knowledge through four processes: socialization, externalization, combination, and internalization. By facilitating these processes, business analysts can ensure that knowledge is continuously captured, shared, and utilized across the organization. In practice, the socialization process involves sharing tacit knowledge through direct interaction, such as team meetings or collaborative workshops. For instance, a company might organize regular knowledge cafes where employees discuss and share insights on recent projects or industry trends. This fosters an environment where tacit knowledge, often hard to document, is communicated and internalized among team members. The externalization process requires converting tacit knowledge into explicit forms, such as reports or documentation. Tools like mind mapping software or collaborative platforms like Confluence can aid in visually representing complex ideas, facilitating this conversion. The combination phase involves integrating different pieces of explicit knowledge to form new concepts. Business analysts can utilize data analytics tools, such as Tableau or Power BI, to combine various data sources and generate comprehensive insights. These insights can then be shared through dashboards or reports, enabling stakeholders to make informed decisions based on a holistic view of the information available. Lastly, internalization refers to the process of absorbing explicit knowledge into tacit understanding. Training sessions, simulations, or role-playing exercises can be effective in helping employees internalize new information and apply it in real-world scenarios. Maintaining knowledge assets also requires robust collaboration tools. Platforms like Microsoft Teams or Slack allow for seamless communication and document sharing, ensuring that knowledge is accessible and easily disseminated. These tools can be integrated with project management software such as Jira or Asana to create a centralized repository of knowledge assets. For instance, a business analyst can use these platforms to track project progress, document lessons learned, and share best practices with the team. To address real-world challenges, business analysts must also focus on the quality and relevance of the knowledge assets they maintain. A practical approach is the implementation of a knowledge audit, a systematic evaluation of existing knowledge assets to identify gaps, redundancies, and areas for improvement. This involves assessing the relevance, accuracy, and accessibility of knowledge assets, often through surveys or interviews with stakeholders. The insights gained from a knowledge audit can guide the development of a knowledge management strategy that aligns with organizational goals and addresses specific needs. Case studies illustrate the effectiveness of these strategies. For example, a multinational corporation in the technology sector faced challenges in maintaining consistent knowledge sharing across its global offices. By implementing a knowledge management framework and utilizing collaboration tools, the company created a centralized platform for employees to share insights, access training materials, and collaborate on projects. This approach led to increased efficiency, faster decision-making, and a more engaged workforce, highlighting the value of maintaining well-organized knowledge assets. Statistics further underscore the importance of effective knowledge management. Research indicates that organizations implementing systematic knowledge management practices can achieve up to a 30% reduction in project cycle time and a 20% increase in project success rates. These gains are attributed to improved information flow, better decision-making, and enhanced collaboration among team members. In conclusion, maintaining knowledge assets is essential for business analysts seeking to drive organizational success. By leveraging frameworks like the SECI model, utilizing collaboration tools, and conducting regular knowledge audits, professionals can ensure that knowledge assets remain relevant, accessible, and actionable. These strategies not only enhance the proficiency of business analysts, but also contribute to the overall competitiveness and agility of the organization. As illustrated through practical examples and supported by research, the effective management of knowledge assets is a critical competency for certified business analysis professionals.